Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome back to French's Beauty. My name is Kemi, and today we're reviewing one of the most popular affordable face wash range in Nigeria right now. And that is the YC Whitening Face Wash, the Light. There's a lot of them. If you've ever walked into a cosmetic store and seen a whole shelf of YC and thought, oh my God, which one should I pick? Because there's a lot of them. Don't worry, I got you. The first thing about YC is the variety. I love the fact that it has so many types, so you can choose what is going to suit your destiny. They have the collagen, the cucumber, the donkey milk, the turmeric, vitamin C, gold caviar, papaya, lemon, milk, and so many more. These are just the ones that I can remember on top of my head. It's basically the face wash version of a buffet. So if you're looking for a buffet of face wash, look no further. Whatever your skin concern is, YC has a flavor that will be suitable for you. After the variant, there are some key things almost everybody online agree with. That this product lathers really well. They cleanse without leaving your face dry and tight. They also leave your face looking so soft and smooth and refreshed. They are very gentle. They're gentle enough that you can actually use them during the day. You can use them morning and night. They brighten the skin gradually. They are a very, very affordable and give value for your money. So YC is not a bleaching face wash. No. It's more of a brightening, refreshing, smoothing texture lines or fine lines kind of face wash. So now let's talk about what each popular variant is known for. I'm going to start with the collagen. This one is perfect if your skin feels tired or aging. So, people say it leaves their face looking so smooth, so soft, so plump and bouncy. This is great for anybody over the age of 25. The cucumber, this one is for the hot weather gang. So if you live in a place where it's really hot, this is going to help you to refresh. It will help with cooling. It's perfect for oily and sweaty skin. This one wakes the skin up in the morning and just give you say, wow, good morning. The donkey milk. This one is very gentle. It's highly moisturizing and very soothing. It's great for dry skin or sensitive skin. So if your skin reacts easily to things, then you can start with the donkey milk. The turmeric is very brightening. It glows the skin. It helps with dullness and uneven skin tone. So skincare lovers say this one is good at night, or you can use it day and night. The vitamin C, this is the glow queen. It helps with radiance. It helps with brightness. If your skin is looking just there, start with the vitamin C. You will see amazing results. The gold caviar, this one is the boogie. This one is smooth finish. This gives you a soft feel. It gives you a nice glow. People say their skin feel pampered. I'm using this one. I've used it. This one is amazing. It's the one everybody's talking about and it's beautiful. The papaya one is going to help you to brighten your complexion. It will help with rough skin texture. It also exfoliates your skin mildly to give that effect. I've used this one too. It's lovely. The lemon helps to control excess oil without stripping. Great for oily or combination skin. This will give you a clean, matte feel without stripping you of your natural oil. The milk one softens the skin, make it smooth. It's good for everyday face wash. It's good for normal and dry skin. If you use YC face wash, you are going to get a gentle cleanser, a bit of brightening without bleaching. It will soften, freshen your skin after wash, a face wash that actually matches your exact skin concern. So you can pick the one that matches your skin concern. They are affordable and they still perform. They give amazing, beautiful results. It's great for teenagers. It's great for adults, for students, anyone who wants easy, safe, simple face wash. You can go and get your hands on this. Most people use one in the morning and a different one at night, which is what I do. It does depend on your need and your pocket. But based on consistent use, customers are saying that they are seeing results within 2 to 3 weeks of use. So you can start seeing good results. You will see glowing, fresher looking skin, brighter complexion, soft texture, less dullness, cleaner, clearer pores, a more beautiful, even finish. Again, this is not going to bleach you. This is clean brightening and polishing and exfoliating. So in summary, YC is one of those face washes that surprises people because it is affordable, but it actually works. It is gentle, it is refreshing, and it protects. If you are just looking for a nice brightening cleanser that won't damage your skin, this is what you should go for. And because they have so many variants, there is one for every skin type. So if you want to try any of the YC face variants today, you can order directly from our website. We sell them and we sell the original direct from Thailand. So if you have used any of the YC face wash, please let's discuss it in the comment section. Which one have you used? Can you remember how it works for you? What results did you get? Did it target what you wanted to target? If you want the original, I sell them. Like I said, you can go straight to our website, you can chat us up on WhatsApp, and you can place your order there. We have two websites, one in Nigeria and one in the UK. And also, just tell me about your experience. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. Until next time, guys, stay blessed.